Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and in this video I will be explaining mixed fractions to improper fractions. So before I start, I would just like to explain a few things and then we'll get straight to answering questions. So number one says, multiply the whole number by the bottom number, which is the denominator. Number two, add the answer, which is the product, to the top number. And number three, the denominator remains the same. So what I want you to remember is multiply, add, same. Multiply, add, same. That's all we'll be needing to work out the questions. So let's get straight to it. So to make it easier, I just wrote multiply and add here to help you get it faster. So we're starting with the first question. It says 1 whole 2 out of 5. So I'll just rewrite the question. It says 1 whole 2 out of 5. So the first thing to do is multiply. We're multiplying the bottom number or denominator. So let's just go back. So we're multiplying the bottom number, which is 5, by the whole number, which is 1. So this is how it's going to be. So I'm just going to rewrite it. It's going to be 5 times 1, which is 5. The next step is to add. Remember that we are adding the answer that we got from number 1 to the top number. So we're adding. So 5, which was our answer here, we're going to be adding this 5 to the top number, which is 2. So it's going to be 5 plus 2, which is 7. Now this is all we need to get the answer. This 7 right here is going to be the top number of our answer, and the bottom number is the same bottom number that we had from the beginning, which is 5. So it becomes 7 out of 5. Simple as that. Let's do a second question and then we'll see how easy it is. So number 2 says 3 whole number 1 out of 3. So what I'm going to do is rewrite the question again. 3 whole number 1 out of 3. I know my answer is going to have a bottom number of 3 because previously we said that the denominator remains the same. So before I even start, I'm just going to put divided by 3 on the side here. So all we're trying to do is to find the top number of the answer. So remember, the first thing we do is to multiply. So it's going to become 3 times 3, which is 9. Then we add. We're going to add the answer, which is 9, to the top number, which is 1 here. So we're going to add plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. This is all we need. So this 10 is going to go here. So your answer then becomes 10 over 3. Simple as that. Let's move on to the next question. We have 11 whole 1 over 2. Before I even start, I'm just going to put 2 here. And the first thing is rewrite the question. 11 whole 1 over 2. We'll multiply 11 times 2. Whatever answer you get is 22. You're going to add that answer to the top number. So we just put plus here. So it becomes 22 plus 1, which is 23. This is all we need. We're just going to put this 23 here. So the answer then becomes 23 divided by 2. Super easy. 11 whole, 3 out of 5. I'm going to rewrite the question. 11 whole, 3 out of 5. And I'm also going to write the denominator, which is 5 here for my answer. The first thing we do is, multiply. So multiply the bottom with a whole number. It then becomes 11 times 5, which is 55. Then we add the answer that we got, which was 55, to the 3, which is the top number. So we're just going to add here. It becomes 55 plus 3, which is 58. And that is all we need. This 58 is going to go here. So then our answer now becomes 58 divided by 5. I'm going to leave this here for you to try. It's 12 whole, 1 out of 2. Your answer is supposed to be 25 divided by 2. Let me know if you get this right or if you have any problems getting it right. And I will see you in my next video. My next video is going to be about multiplying fractions. So check that out.